The first Tejas Mark-1A aircraft is currently undergoing extensive flight tests, while the second production aircraft is undergoing ground trials, and 4 more units are in an advanced stage of manufacturing. Another American MQ-9 drone was shot down by the Yemeni army, which is the 7th MQ-9 shot down by Yemen since October 2023. The Indian Army is planning to equip the DRDO TATA WhAP with advanced capabilities that will pave the way for an initial order for 198 units. The Deputy Chief of the Indian Air Force has inaugurated a chaff plant at Solar Industries Nagpur that will stop a reliance on foreign countries for the import of chaff for all types of fighter jets and helicopters. Pakistan has quietly inducted the 9 Saab 2000 early warning and control aircraft. The Indian Air Force has given clearance to Bharat Dynamics Limited for the production of 200 more Astra MK1 air-to-air missiles. Hyderabad-based startup Rekise Marine has been selected to fabricate, integrate and test the Jalkapi autonomous underwater vehicle for the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy is all set to integrate autonomous uncrewed underwater vehicles into its submarine fleet that is capable of launching and recovering via torpedo tubes. The Indian Army has started testing the use of cargo drones as short-range air ambulances to swiftly evacuate injured soldiers from the battlefield. After the conclusion of exercise Pitch Black, Indian Air Force's Su-30 fighter jets have left for Malaysia to conduct joint exercise with Malaysian Su-30 MKM under exercise Udara Shakti 2024. According to latest media reports, apart from the delay in F404 engines, the Tejas Mark-1A program has been delayed due to extensive software upgrades and testing requirements. The Indian Air Force had requested early on-board testing of the upgraded software that was originally planned for a later stage, and this combined with the final software testing and planned ordnance delivery tests has pushed back the delivery by several months. The issues related to the Israeli radar is also minor, that is being addressed through software improvements and optimizations of the digital flight control computer. HAL plans to deliver the Tejas Mark-1A with backup Grade B engines as a temporary measure that will be replaced later with the definitive engines delivered by General Electric. DRDO's Swift UCAF technology demonstrator is undergoing a significant redesign, and its latest iteration showcases changes in its aerodynamic profile, as well as noticeable changes in the aircraft's rear exhaust and air intake systems. The earlier rounded rear exhaust has been replaced with a radical new design to enhance stealth characteristics, and the tri-diagonal engine inlet has been transformed into a U-shaped intake. The DRDO will rigorously test these new design elements on the Swift before integrating them into the larger UCAF program. DRDO's Naval Science and Technological Laboratory has issued a tender for investigating the cavitation behavior of an unspecified Corvette hull, which is likely linked to Indian Navy's upcoming next-generation Corvette project. The contract is anticipated to be awarded to 2 shipyards next year that will build a total of 8 next-generation Corvettes at an estimated value of 36,000 crore rupees. Hyderabad-based Astra Microwave has achieved a significant milestone in radar technology by successfully executing the active antenna array unit of the ship-borne long-range multifunction radar that is set to replace the existing Israeli MF-Star radar systems on Indian naval warships. It features increased surface area of the antenna that allows for the installation of a greater number of transceivers that will handle target tracking to fire control for surface-to-air missiles and ballistic missile defense. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.